Okay, so buying Telegram stars on Fragment is now a big deal, as you will need to log in your Telegram account if you must actually purchase stars here on Fragment. And it doesn't just end there, you will also need to carry out a KYC process. So this is it. I just input my Telegram username and this is a quantity of stars which I want to buy. So if I go ahead and click on buy 50 stars, you can see here I am required to log in my Telegram account, and this is it. If I click on login, I will need to log in my Telegram account right here. And after logging in this, you will still need to complete a KYC, and completing a KYC recently is becoming a problem. So guys, right in this video I'm going to show you another platform where you can buy stars without passing through all this stress. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. And before we continue guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an update like this, you will be notified. So guys, without wasting much of our time, let's dive in today's video. Okay guys, so in the process of trying to get myself some stars without passing through the stress of logging in, completing a KYC, so I came across this platform. So here, this is called split.tg. Okay, so here you can actually buy your Telegram stars. In fact, you can even buy your Telegram premium here without stress. Now right in this video I'm going to take you through the process on how to do that, so make sure you watch this video to the very end. Okay, so to locate this particular platform guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So this is the very first thing you will see here on the platform. So this is it. What are you buying today? Now here I am here to buy the Telegram stars, which is this. So first thing to do here is connecting your wallet. So to do that, click on connect wallet here, and you can see here you'll be navigated to either Keeper, Ton Wallet, BJ. In fact, here I am using Keeper, okay, because that is where I have some Ton. Okay, so I'll click on Keeper here, and this is it. You can see I have been navigated to my Keeper, which I need to connect the wallet. So I'll click on connect wallet. So I'll need to input my password, and that is it. You can see. So if I go back right here guys, you can see this is my wallet right here. And the next thing here guys I need to do is to go ahead and buy these stars for myself right here. So I will scroll down to here. I can see Telegram stars, give your friends, co-workers, and the rest of them here. So I'll click on give stars to user, and this is it. You can see here I am to enter my Telegram username. So I'll go over to Telegram right now to copy my username. Okay, always do that just to be sure you are copying the right username. Okay, so this is my username right here. So I'll just copy my username, then go back to the platform, then I'll paste my username right here. Let's see how it goes, and that is it. Okay, and you can see that is the name on my Telegram, Legistary. And the next thing here guys is choosing the quantity of Telegram star which you want to buy here. So I need nothing but 50 stars, and don't forget this is actually gonna cost you 0.12 tons. So right now I will click on buy stars. So let's see how it goes, and this is it. So what I need to do here is either waiting for the notification, or I'll just click on open wallet. So this is it. You will have to wait for some seconds, and this is it. Okay, now right now what I'm gonna do guys is to slide this to my right. So that is it, and let's wait for the payment to be confirmed, and that is it. Okay, so that is it, done. All right, you can see I have successfully sent 0.12 tons. So let me go back to the platform and see how it goes guys. So while they are waiting to confirm the transaction, now this is it. You can see. Okay, so you can see this notification from Telegram. So let me open it, and this is it. All right, so this is it. You can see this is today. Okay, and this is the 50 stars which I just bought from that platform, and this is it. Received gift 50 stars. All right guys, so that is it. Right as of the time of recording this video guys, buying stars from Fragment is becoming a big deal. So make sure you are using this platform right now to buy your stars, and don't forget to use the link in the description of this video. All right guys, so if you find this video helpful, why not go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my content like this. And don't forget, for early access to update like this, consider joining my Telegram channel. I'm gonna leave the link right in the description and also in the comment section of this video. And guys, see you in my next video.